Page 114, New Age sounds. The top of the page, they're talking about the interval of a fifth. We've already had fifths. Each note is on a line, or each note is on a space, and there's one line or space in between. That's how you can recognize them in the music. So if I have a C and I want a fifth, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's really just 2/3. There's a third and there's a third. Together, 3 and 3 is 5. And this piece uses a lot of fifths. So fifths generally sound hollow and strange slightly. So if you got a piece with a lot of fifths, it's going to be interesting. Both hands together here. 4/4 time. Right hand's up here and left hand's here. So we're in A position, sort of. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this C is a C sharp, so instead of C, you do C sharp. Let's go to the second line. It's here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And again, the C sharp is here. And now we have an A and a C sharp, so it's here. And then the last line similar to what you've had. Articulation, the phrases. Just separate between, just lift up between the phrases so there's a little silence. So forth, all the way through. The pedal will cover it up, it doesn't matter. You still go through the motion. You need to feel the phrases, whether you can hear them or not. You need to feel them because it will affect how you play it. Has to do with interpreting music. Then the dynamics. Well, MF-P. The on repeat you don't need. The MF, first time you play it moderately loud, and that's both hands. It's whatever you think moderately loud is, and then when you repeat it, now you play it soft. It's like an echo. However soft you think soft is fine. And then second line, now you go up to loud the first time. And then when you repeat the second line, because it's got repeat signs on both sides of it, you do the first line twice, you do the second line twice. Well, the second time you do the second line, no, you do it soft. It's like an echo again. And then the third line you go back up to medium loud or moderately loud. And then there's a hairpin going down to soft. You have to plan it out or you'll be soft by the third measure. You'll be soft too soon. So here in the last line, I'm going to stay in the second measure, I'm going to stay medium loud. Now I come down just a hair, not much. Now I come down to about a medium soft. Now soft. So I'm planning it out. Here I'm doing about a measure at a time. Sometimes I might do it 2 or 3 measures at a time or a phrase at a time. It depends on how long it lasts. If it's a short one, you do it a note at a time or something. But otherwise you have to plan it out. Now pedal again. They're pedaling the whole thing. Just push the pedal down at the beginning and hold it down to the end. Okay, that's what they want. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Rhythms shouldn't be a problem. Let's make sure we have the notes. So I'll give us 4 counts, and we are going to do the repeats. I'm just not going to do the dynamics, but I will do the repeats. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, repeat. 4, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, repeat. 4. 3, 4, off.